If the area of triangle ABC in the figure shown is 120 square units, what is the length of line segment DC? So in this problem, what we are trying to do is determine the distance from this location here at point D all the way to this location at point C. The problem states that the area of the entire triangle is 120 square units. And we have to make sure that we are looking at triangle ABC. And ABC goes from here to here to here to here. So the entire triangle has an area of 120 square units. Now, when finding the area of a triangle, we should know that the area is equal to base times height of the triangle divided by 2. And for triangle ABC, one thing that is given is the height, and that height is 10. So we know that the area is 120 square units. We know that the height is 10 units. The base is not given, so you will just leave the base alone for now. And we know that we have to divide this product by 2. Now, one thing that we can notice is that there's a 10 on top of this fraction bar and a 2 on the bottom. And so we can divide these two values together. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we can just express this as 5 over 1. So what we have left of this equation would be 120 is equal to b times 5. But I like writing the coefficient before the variable. So now what we have to do is figure out what would we multiply 5 by to come up with a product of 120. Well, to figure this out, we can isolate the variable b by dividing this side of our equation by 5. Dividing 5 by itself will give us 1 whole, and that will leave us with 1b on the right side of our equation. And on the left side, we must divide by 5 as well, so we have balance to our equation. And 120 divided by 5 is 24. But we should understand that 24 is actually not the answer. The base of triangle ABC is 24, and the base of triangle ABC is actually from point B all the way to point C. And if you notice, they just want us to find the length of DC, which is part of that base. Well, right here, we can see that from here to here, we have a distance of 8. So all we have to do is determine is what is the length from D to C, so when we add it to 8, we would have a base of 24. So all we have to do is take 24 and subtract 8, and that would leave us with 16. So the distance of line segment DC is equal to 16 units.